Did you know generative AI tools like Microsoft Copilot can review your essays and give you feedback on your writing? This video will show you how to use Copilot to review your drafts responsibly. If you want to use AI in this way, make sure your instructor says it's okay. Remember, your final work has to be your own. Using AI to do your thinking or writing for you is not allowed, and it also robs you of your learning experience. I'll be showing you how to use AI to improve your writing and support your learning. The key is to ask the AI tool to highlight areas for improvement without rewriting or editing your text directly. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need the essay or assignment that you want to improve. I'm going to use an old teaching philosophy statement that I wrote for a library science class. I have it saved as a Microsoft Word document. Next, you'll open up Copilot. If you need help, check out our video on how to find Copilot in Microsoft 365. Now we'll write our prompt. First, we can start by giving Copilot some context. I am a college student. I wrote this teaching philosophy statement for a library science class on the instructional role of the librarian. Of course, your prompt will look different. Maybe you wrote an essay about social media for a sociology class, or you wrote a report on risk management for your Foundations of Business class. Whatever the case may be, make sure to give Copilot the context it needs to understand your input and produce a relevant output. Okay, next we can tell Copilot exactly what it is that we want. Please help me improve my work without changing my ideas or voice. I want feedback on clarity and flow, grammar and sentence structure, word choice, transitions and organization, and anything else that would help make it stronger. Finally, you'll share your essay. You can copy and paste it directly into the box, or you can share the essay as an attachment. Okay, let's try this out. Copilot has followed my instructions. It has provided feedback on all of the 5 areas that I requested help with. It has suggested that I add bridging sentences and reorganize some of my paragraphs, but it hasn't done that work for me. It also caught an error. I accidentally omitted the word I in one of my sentences. Whoops. Copilot has also suggested that I define some of the more specialized language I used. Now, here, Copilot has actually rewritten my concluding sentence. Honestly, I do think Copilot's suggestion here is stronger than my original formulation, which isn't always the case. But when Copilot provides a rewrite, we need to be really cautious. If we copy and paste Copilot's suggestion into our assignment, well, that's a problem because it's not really our work. So we can learn from Copilot's suggestions, but again, we have to make sure our work is our own. Remember, you can always speak with your instructor if you're ever unsure about the rules and expectations around using AI for your coursework. To learn more about how to use Copilot and other generative AI tools responsibly as a student, see VCC Library's Generative AI LibGuide, which is linked in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.